Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Bitcoin, Litecoin on any currency in Faucetpay, direct in Faucetpay. If you don't have a Faucetpay, a link in description, go to link and open it and I will teach you in that video. Okay, like this, this is my fresh account. I didn't have any currency right now. We are going to making some money, innocent payout, don't give any time, the fast payout. Okay, first one is Tron is 29 time per day. Every 5 minutes I can claim this for 49 and in here in this one want to torrent address from Faucetpay. How I can get the address? Go to deposit, click the deposit and wait for a minute. You can see this the all links, Bitcoin, Litecoin, any currency you want, the wallet address. This is the torrent wallet address. I click the torrent wallet address and come here and paste it here. Okay, this is my torrent address and I'm going to login. Okay, now I'm logging in torrent. This one gets just tell me the full capture, each capture from they tell you are human or not. Just click the capture, wait some time, some seconds, they will pop up. Okay, the capture tells me click this all. Okay, I click it, go to next. This is not the bus. Okay, go to next. Okay, now it's finished. Check it. Okay, wait some minutes. Okay, confirm, click here. This one tell you which one is the 3.6 is 9, which one is 3 is 1 2 3 4, this one is 4, this one is 6, and wait some seconds. Click. With some that give you sometimes if you have fast internet, don't give any time. Okay, this one sends me in Faucetpay directly. I come here, go to into my dashboard to see if this one is sent. Yes, this one is sent me. This is the sent from this website. Okay, if you want this website, you can go to the link in description. You can click the link, you can come here, you can claim the your torrent. This is just torrent. Come here, this is a BTC, the another is dogecoin and Litecoin. This is a Bitcoin Cash, Dash, or BG coin. Every coin you want, just have some claim, daily claim. Every 5 minutes you want Bitcoin address, go to deposit, copy the Bitcoin address. This is the whole coins like Bitcoin, dogecoin, Litecoin, any coin you want to, like this one is Bitcoin Cash. This one, the Bitcoin Cash address, copy it, come here in Bitcoin Cash, paste it. Just be careful because Bitcoin holders have this situation. Like Bitcoin Cash, just delete this Bitcoin Cash, zoom it little bit. Okay, this you can see, this is the address, this is the address, not that one. Okay, now you can claim your Bitcoin Cash. To login, click the I'm human, Now this one see me the boat. I click the all boats in here, the boats. Okay, nothing else. The boats, this one is boat. No boat anymore. Okay, just click claim. Okay, claim. In here 9, this one is 9, this one is 5, click 5, 10, 10, this one is 4, click 4. Wait some seconds and click reward. Go to your dashboard to see what we have now. Okay, we have our Bitcoin Cash too. Okay, thanks for watching. If you want this website link, link in description, go to the link and click it and come here and make it some money. For more videos, just subscribe me or follow me here, and I can make more videos for you. For now, bye bye.